Which expression is equivalent to negative 3x squared plus 16x plus 12? We're going to pick one of these four. And this video is the same problem as the last one, but this one uses the popular AC factoring method. Most textbooks use that. Okay. I prefer no-fuss factoring, but we'll do it with the AC factoring method. Notice the coefficient of x squared is negative. That makes it harder. So I do not want to have a negative 3 here. I want to deal with a plus 3, not a minus 3. So I'm going to change all three of these signs by factoring a negative 1. Okay, so this becomes a plus. Okay, it's much easier when that one's plus. This one goes to what? And this changes to what? Okay, so instead of minus plus plus, I have plus minus minus. The key here is that the coefficient of x squared is positive. Okay, using the AC factoring method, we take the 3 times the negative 12. Okay, write these two terms down, and we're going to figure out what negative 16 is in a minute. But to use the AC factor, we take the 3 times the 12 and get negative 36. So I want all of the factors of negative 36, but they have to add up to be what? That one. Okay? So we want the two factors of 36 whose sum is a negative 16. So list all of the factors of 36. Well, we know 1 times 36 is 36. When you add these, you get negative 35. So we'll throw this out. After 1, count 1, 2, right? And 2 times negative 18 is negative 36. When you add them, you get negative 16. These are the two terms we're going to use. But if it wasn't, we'd go 1, 2, count with me. 1, 2, 3 times what? 12 is 36. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 9 is 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 5 doesn't go into 36, so throw out the 5. Count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Throw out the 5, and we'll go to what? 6 times negative 6 is a negative 36. When you add these, you get negative 35. When you add these two, 2 and negative 18, negative 16, those are my two factors. If we were to add these, we'd get negative 9. 3 plus a negative 12 is negative 9. We're getting negative 5 here, and 6 minus 6 is 0. We're going to use these two because we get our negative 16. So the two numbers that you multiply to get 36 are 18 times 2, okay, is 36. And when you add these two, you get negative 16. So we're going to rewrite the 16 as a negative 18 and a plus 2. Negative 18x plus 2x is negative 16x. Okay? This gets kind of complicated here. Let's just worry about what's inside the parentheses right now. We'll come back to that negative 1 in a minute. Let's just copy this down. Okay? And we'll group these. Put the first two here and put the last two in the second parentheses. All right? Now, what do we have in common here? We have a 3 and an x, don't we? 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 6 is negative 18x. And you have a 2 in common over here. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times a minus 6 is negative 12. Now, what do these have in common? They both have x minus 6, don't they? You see an x minus 6 here? And you see an x minus 6 here? Okay? So you're going to factor out the x minus 6. If you take this x minus 6 out, you have 3x. Okay? If you factor this out, you do x minus 6 times 3x. Copy this 3x over here. And the x minus 6 times the what? Times the what? X minus 6 times 2. Okay, this is AC factoring. Much harder than no fuss. Okay, so what's in the parentheses is this, so we copy that down over here. Okay, and of the four choices, we're going to pick B using the AC factoring method.